All right, what's going on, everybody? It's Matt and Cody, and you're probably
What up,
wondering where have we been for the past year? It's been a year since we last did a Broken Moto show,
man?
late April.
Feels good to be back in the seat,
Yeah, yeah. So we have an announcement today, but real quick about the Broken Moto show. We were doing one episode a week, and we kind of got busy in our
Yeah,
personal lives, and we just couldn't make the episodes essentially. So
right.
I think moving forward, we'll bring it back maybe once a month, twice a month, maybe shorter, whatever. Let
Yeah,
us
we
know.
we definitely have enough questions in the email box to last us a couple months. So
Yeah,
all you guys who have sent emails, they're not deleted. We
they're
have
there.
them,
Yep, they're there.
and there's probably tons and tons of questions in there, but it just got a lot because we were trying to Matt's goal with that was trying to hit inbox zero every time. We're trying to answer all of them all at once, and
Yeah,
it was kind of a chaotic thing. So, like Matt said, I think coming back to me once a month, making them shorter, a couple questions.
yeah,
Don't lose hope.
yeah.
We really
Well,
enjoyed it. So,
yeah, yeah. But Cody and I have been talking. We haven't
yeah,
stopped talking or emailing or phone calls. So we've been just not recording.
right.
So, um, but we've been working on something for the past year. So Cody's going to tell us a little bit about that. I think it's going to benefit a lot of people. What is it, Cody?
Yeah. So, me and Matt get a lot of questions, obviously, from you guys. As you can see in the Broken Motor Show, and just in our own business, Matt with How to Motorcycle Repair, mine with the motorcyclemd.com, and things I see at work in the shop all the time. Um, we get lots of questions about topics we know can be easily answered, especially for people who have just purchased a bike or looking to buy a bike or looking to fab a bike or maybe they have 10 bikes already and they want to learn and want to know how to do just basic stuff or even more advanced things at the same time when it comes to all different topics of the motorcycle. I mean, mainly, I think me and Matt's questions really boil down to carburetor stuff, fuel and air, maybe some electrical stuff. Um, Not too many people are asking, "Hey, how do I change my coolant?" But we know that it's out there, and we know that you guys, if you just had a little bit of guidance, could do a lot more to the bike, save a bunch of money doing it, And me and Matt have been collaborating on this idea for probably over a year now.
Yeah, a year.
I mean, been pulling tons and tons of content, shooting content to try to make up some type of course that could help you guys. Some type of what we've ultimately started calling it is the Motorcycle Repair Masterclass, and it's a course that we developed to try to look like a service manual. Just how the Honda service manual reads. It's very subject oriented and categorized in ways that are just easy to kind of understand if you've ever looked at a manual, which um, but that's what we wanted to do with video content. You know, Matt's got what 6, 7 years of stuff. I have tons of stuff, a lot of stuff that the motorcycle and the inner circle has access to. Some of it they don't. Um, Lots of stuff, and we wanted to combine that and make a course. So
Yeah, and I actually had a few people reach out. Hey, have you thought about putting a course together? Everything
yeah,
from shop setup, all the tools, everything.
yeah,
So that's kind of what we've been working on, just
right.
putting all this in there.
So what we want to do with you guys is we want you guys' input. On both channels. We're gonna hit all the email lists, everybody, because we want to know what your guys' pain points are. Like what do you guys want to see? If you maybe if you just had this one thing, what would it be? So we want you guys' input. So in the description below, there'll be a link that will take you to a quick form. And the form will just ask for your name, email, and then some suggestions that you may have, like what type of stuff would you like, what I just said. And answer that for us, and it would be super beneficial to help us to try to create something that you would really use and enjoy, I think.
Yeah. So just one thing you'd like to see in this course would help
Yeah,
us. We probably have a lot of it covered, but you never know. We
yeah,
hope not to miss anything. So we want to address it.
right. So what we want to do is give you guys a quick sneak peek of what it's the backbones of this thing kind of looks like, so you can kind of get an understanding. There'll be way more stuff adding to it. And the cool thing about this, what me and Matt were talking about, is This is what I'm going to call like an evergreen product. We will constantly be adding into this. I mean,
Correct.
there's things that we may not be able to get to right away, or things that we're like, you know what, that's a really easy thing to do, and it's so simple, but it should be known, you know, and we can add that into this course as we go, which is really cool. It's almost like content in a way, you know. So real quick, we'll preview this
Yeah, pull it up.
and show you guys the backbones of what me and Matt been digging into. All right, so again, backbones of the whole course. Right now, this is the header. It's a whole course, all video guides. We have some really cool resources in here. 128 lessons so far, and it goes through a lot of things. I mean, introductions for us. This is some resources. So Matt's got some killer information on where to get parts from, some Vinda coding stuff. The main thing that I wanted to hit were links for parts, because I see people deal with this a lot, where they have lots of questions about where to get parts from. And me and Matt have been building this kind of platform or database to quick link everything, you know, for all aspects of the motorcycle. I have people all like, that's probably one of the most common questions is, where can I buy these parts from, you know, or where can I get carburetor jets from? But garage setup, we got tool sections, we got basic maintenance and adjustments that you'll deal with. Fluid changes, we got fuel system stuff, tons of stuff on fuel system, carburetor stuff, tons of stuff on carburetor stuff, cleaning carburetors, syncing carburetors, diagnosing bad, clean, dirty carburetors. Bad, I guess you wouldn't diagnose a clean carburetor, but a dirty carburetor. So we have some engine stuff, tons of electrical, testing procedures, diagnosing, and the list goes on. And I mean, down to wires. Let's see, second page up in here. Brakes, wheels and tires, troubleshooting, kind of things off at this point, but lots of stuff that we have on here, guys. And these videos are not 2-minute videos. Some are, but I mean, I for sure have uploaded some pretty solid long videos in there, you know. So it's if you guys know the way that Matt teaches and you know the way that I teach, that's how the videos are.
Yep. Yeah, some of the like carb rebuild videos in there, an hour long.
Yeah.
And then other lessons are only a minute or two long, but it's, you know, short tips and tricks that, you know, definitely help out.
Absolutely. So we won't take up, I'm sorry.
No, by all means. And that is not complete. We're still uploading stuff.
Yeah.
We have a whole outline that we're trying to attack. But at this point, we would like your feedback. So like Cody said, there's going to be a link in the upper right and down below. It's a form. Just put 1 or 2 or 3, however many things you want to see in this thing. Let us know.
Yeah. It'd be super helpful. I promise it would benefit all of us. But yeah, so we won't take up too much more of you guys' time. We just want to make this quick kind of announcement just to get people involved. We want you guys involved in it, all the viewers that we have. And we would just greatly appreciate it. And yeah, that's it.
That's it. See you in the next video.
Cool. Later, guys.
Later.